learn how to make a delicious and creamy Kaju Masala gravy. This dish is perfect for a special occasion or when you just want to treat yourself to something yummy. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of cashews, Kaju, 2 large onions, chopped, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1 inch ginger, minced, 2 to 3 green chilies, chopped, 2 tomatoes, chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half cup of cream or milk, salt to taste. Oil for cooking. Preparation. Before we begin cooking, we need to prepare the cashews. Soak the cashews in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, drain the water and grind the cashews into a fine paste. Keep the paste aside. Cooking. Heat some oil in a pan and add cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Add chopped onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies to the pan. Saute them until the onions turn translucent. Now, add the chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they become soft and mushy. Add the coriander powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and salt to the pan. Mix everything well. Add the cashew paste to the pan and stir well. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, add some cream or milk to the pan and mix well. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the gravy cool down for a bit. Serving. Your delicious Kaju Masala gravy is ready to be served. You can garnish it with some chopped coriander leaves and serve it hot with rice or naan. Outro. Thanks for watching our video on how to make Kaju Masala gravy. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more yummy recipes. See you next time.